Looking for an easier, faster, and more affordable way to notarize important documents? Then you might want to check out PandaDoc Notary. Notarizing documents for your business is super important, but trying to do it in person can be a real pain in the neck. With PandaDoc Notary, you can now do it all remotely and electronically via a secure audio-visual session. Here's what it'll look like. To get started, select the PandaDoc document that you want to work with. Then add the participants you want to invite. When your session is now ready, your participants can join and select their preferred camera and microphone settings. Next, each participant enters personal information and answers a few knowledge-based authentication questions inside of a secure portal. After that, they will complete an identity verification process by uploading a verified government ID. Rest assured that all of your information is safe because PandaDoc Notary is SOC 2 and HIPAA compliant. Finally, the live session will commence and you can see and hear the participants right alongside the document. Pretty cool, right? Well, together you can now review, discuss, and sign the document. Afterwards, both the notarized documents and a recording of the session will become available for download inside of your electronic journal. And that's it. So, whether you need to notarize one document every so often, or you need to do it on a regular basis, PandaDoc Notary is built to provide the most efficient and convenient notary experience for everyone, from wherever they're located. If you're still hesitant about remote online notarization, just know this product is already being used by thousands of businesses in estate planning, financial lending, banking, and real estate. But we know there's even more use cases than those ones I just listed. So with PandaDoc, you can sign and notarize all in one fell swoop. It's time to deliver a smooth notary experience that spares everyone from having to meet in person. Go ahead and talk with a PandaDoc Notary expert today and simplify your most important customer transactions.